Absolutely. सर मेरा नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज रिगार्डिंग डूइंग अ स्टार्टअप राइट आफ्टर कॉलेज एंड इसके रिगार्डिंग लाइक मेरे पास दो व्यूज हैं जो काफी लोग बोलते हैं. द फर्स्ट वन इज कि बहुत लोग बोलते हैं कि आपको एक्सपीरियंस ही नहीं होगा बिकॉज यू आर स्टिल अ स्टूडेंट. तो शायद अगर आप पहले कोई जॉब कर लो या किसी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के साथ काम करो तो आपको एक रिक्विजिट एक्सपीरियंस मिलेगा एंड प्रोबेबली देन यू कैन थिंक ऑफ अ स्टार्टअप. एंड दूसरी चीज, एक और चीज ये लोग बोलते हैं कि अगर मैं फंडिंग उठाता हूँ किसी इन्वेस्टर से तो कहीं ना कहीं ये हो सकता है इन दी एंड वो इन्वेस्टर ही ओनर बन जाए. शायद मैं स्टेक अपना डाइल्यूट करता जा रहा हूँ और इन दी एंड हो सकता है कि वो इन्वेस्टर ही ले जाए. फॉर एग्जांपल हम फ्लिपकार्ट का केस लेते हैं तो नाउ इट्स लाइक रन बाय इट्स नॉट इन द कंट्रोल ऑफ लाइक द फाउंडर्स. तो ये दो बेसिकली मेन पर्सपेक्टिव्स हैं जो मैंने सुने हैं लोगों से. तो सर आपके क्या व्यूज हैं इन दोनों को लेकर?
I think the parameters you are measuring this is again wrong. Because this is very common for students to think like that. But again, grand scheme of things, mein dekho, there are both kinds of people who are very successful. There are people out of college very successful. There are people 10 years later very successful. So again, it matters what kind of a person are you, what kind of a startup do you want to run, right? Do you want to do things which are high risk, high reward, super high risk, super high reward? Start right away because it will never get easy. There are ideas, yeah. Zomato is one such idea. It's a high risk, high reward idea.
Right.
Uber, Ola, high risk, high reward ideas. You are 50 years old, you have 30 crores of net worth. It doesn't matter. It's still high risk, high reward. If you want to do that, there's no need to wait. For me, I wanted to do it high risk, high reward. There's no point of waiting, right? It is always going to be like that. Then there are second type of people who want to do things in a more predictable manner. I'll give you a simple example. Let's say take these B2B startups. Let's say Mindtree. I don't know more about Mindtree, but I'm taking an example. Fairly recent startup, 10 साल पुरानी कंपनी है, 15 साल पुरानी होगी. तो but did it in a manner which is very predictable. So a lot of people what they do is let's say go into consulting, say one domain, they'll get into logistics. Logistics में 10 साल consulting करेंगे, उसके बाद they'll understand the space very well and come out with a product or a service around that problem statement which they have been working on for 10 years and then kind of start a company. Low risk, decent reward. Not the highest reward because it's still a niche, right? But it's still like a big jump up from let's say being a. So it's more like you get into a consulting company, then you eventually become a partner. It's more like that. Being a partner in let's say EY or McKinsey is almost being an entrepreneur, right? But it's the next level. It's not high risk, high reward. It's slightly lower risk. You still have a lot of ownership, but the reward is not going to be let's say that of a $1 billion company that will give. So pick your interest area, risk appetite. That I think is very inherent in you, right? किसी को डर लगता ज़्यादा है, किसी को कम लगता है, whatever, right? And family issues, what is your upbringing like? So the question is very simple. Do you want really high risk, high reward? Don't wait. You want more predictable kind of building up of your startup or job or profile, career, whatever. Go for the wait it out. Get experience, build a domain expertise, then start a company around that domain expertise. उसमें fail नहीं होगे because you're essentially selling your own domain expertise.
Right.
How difficult is it? You are an expert, just sell it.
Right. Sure.
But Zomato के लिए कोई domain expertise थोड़ी होगी दीपी के पास या पंकज के पास. It was their stupidity कह लो, और innovation कह लो, या it was sheer grit, right? So that's the kind of thing you need to figure out. अब आप crazy वाले camp में हो तो follow Zomato's path. There's no need to really like take experience. तो crazy ही path पे जाना है. अगर आप लेकिन दूसरे वो defined path पे हो, consultant type path पे, so take experience 10 years down the line. Maximize your, I would say, market value, so to speak.
Right. Sir,
just remember, the VC own कर लेगा, ये सब चीजें मत सोचो यार. These are all great problems to have. Too many people keep thinking, what if I become successful? VCs are going to. अरे भाई आज सचिन बिन्नी celebrities हैं. They are not like unsuccessful by any measure. They are like rock stars of the startup world or the whole India. They are like what middle class India aspires to be. You go to a parent, you ask, what do you want your son to be like? Who do you want your son to be like? Nobody is going to say Shah Rukh Khan. Everybody is going to say Sachin Binni Bansal.
Absolutely.
So it's great if you think that it's a failure कि उनसे Walmart ले गया उनका startup. Be that failure. The whole city, whole country is going to be proud of you. Right. Don't worry about these. These are great problems. They're not even problems.
Right.
So,
right.
yeah.
Right. So.